guys, I'm now here in Naian Terminal 3. So we're going to KL now. It starts now. A ticket in the Kuala Lumpur, and then this is Kuala Lumpur, and that's my seat. We're now here in Kuala Lumpur, Pintu Tour or Door 2. Bed. Wow. ISTARA, NEGARA. ISTARA, NEGARA, Palace. Wow, that's the ISTARA NEGARA's King's Palace. So this is the home of the king. Home of the king. ISTARA NEGARA. Is the ISTARA NEGARA. This is the palace ISTARA NEGARA. So this is the cows. So this is the king's gate of ISTARA. ISTARA NEGARA is a king's palace, or if it's in the Philippines, it's a Malacanang palace, where the president lives. And this one, this is the king's palace. So this is where the king sleeps over, king's home. So this is monarchy, if you can see. Then this is the horse of the king to protect the king, the guards, kings of the horses. Then the gate, as you can see, the gate here of ISTARA NEGARA. This is inside of the gate. This is the king's palace. There you go, there you go. That's the king's palace, which symbolizes the Malaysian flag and the king's flag. So another facilities here is like this is, I think, the part of the Malaysian palace. Then also there another gate is picture of the horses here in the king's palace, the guard and the horse. This is the horses. ISTARA NEGARA. See you again next time. Okay, so we'll proceed to the MERDEKA Square. Come on, let's go. MERDEKA Square. Wow, MERDEKA Square. Wow, park. Then this is the tourist spot that they're saying. The old building structure there, and this is the MERDEKA Square with the flag of Malaysia and the fountain. This is MERDEKA Square, the park and the building there. Why is there a MERDEKA Square? Because Malaysia became a British colony years ago, before 1957, and they gained independence here in 1957. The Malaysia, it became the official country of Malaysia from the British colony. The building, wow. We're now here in Lot 10 to shop in the Japan store of Ititan Market. Wow. A market. What? now the products of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, I mean. There you go. Then Durian. Sell old currency, change old currency, old coins, old currency. Here in the Durian shop, Musang King. Wow.
Menu. Ito very maganda.
Matamis. Sweet.
Wow. Durian. Durian. More. Wow. One more. Durian.
Sweet.
Guys, so this a durian. So this is so tasty, delicious, sweet, and for me it's like Davao durian. So if you compare this to Davao durian, it's just the same, but it's really sweeter. This is PETRONAS. KLCC CC Fountain. KLCC guys, Petronas Tower. This is going to Petronas Towers. And going to Petronas Towers. Guys, we're now here in the escalator going down, and then I'm so excited that we will go to Petronas Tower. Twin Towers. So this is the water sprayer. Petronas Towers. Woo! Twin Towers. Guys, I'm now here in the Petronas Towers. It is 88 floors and it's really, really high, guys. Petronas Twin Tower visit. This is a camera. So this is Petronas Tower. Petronas Tower. Wow. 88 floors. Wow. Do at level 41. Wow. SKYBRIDGE.
The screen.
$20 golden. Oh, may elevator pa. God. Wow. This is So this is curry laksa, nasi goreng, nasi lemak, chicken chop, Malaysian food, kerabu, laksa. So guys, we're going to Batu Cave and then Genting Highlands. So let's go. The birds. This is Batu Caves, Buddha and the designs. Batu Caves and designs. Funky monkey. Musang King. Durian ice cream. That one is a cable car. So if you want to take a picture with a cable car, that one. And this is the premium outlets that we're going to go. Buy the shoes today. Now he's in the outlet coach. Hello guys, so we're now shopping at the outlet store here in Genting Highlands, Malaysia. So we're shopping now and we're thinking of something to buy here in Genting. So come on, let's go. GODIVA Belgium chocolate. This is the ice cream. Into the pavilion mall. There you go. This is our last day today. And coming to the pavilion mall. Pavilion mall. So hello guys. So thank you for watching. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.